Okay, so today we're looking at column multiplication, often called long multiplication. We're going to look at two examples, one that uses just whole numbers and one that looks at using long multiplication with decimals as well. So, let's just have a look at one that's whole numbers first. So 324 times 41, okay? Now the first thing you need to do is set it up in a column. At the top you would put the number with the most digits, so in this case it's 324. Make sure you include the multiplication sign and then put the second number underneath, being sure to line up the place value columns. Okay. Then I start by multiplying by the ones column, so in this case it's 1. So 1 times 4, 1 times 2, 1 times 3. Then I create a new answer box and I start multiplying by the tens column. Because I'm multiplying by the tens column, this number's not 4, it's 40. I need to make sure that I make my answer 10 times bigger. And I do that by using a 0 placeholder. Then I do 4 times 4. Carry anything you need to small underneath. 4 times 2 is 8, add the carried 1, 9. 4 times 3 is 12. And then to finish my method, I just add up the numbers in my answer boxes and go through and check my method. Okay, let's have a look at one now that works with decimals. So for example, if we had first things first, I put the number with the most digits on the top, so in this case 24.9. Just ignore the decimal point for now, so we'll just look at it as 249. And then my other number underneath, 3.8, but in this case I'm ignoring the decimal point, so I just put 38. Again, I times by the number in the ones column first. Then I'm about to multiply now by the 3, but it's not 3 because it's in the tens column, it's 30. So I put my 0 placeholder. When I finish with the multiplication, I do an addition of the numbers in the answer box. Leaves me with 9,462. Now I need to reconsider these decimal points. Can you see that I've got 2 numbers after the decimal points in my question? Therefore I need 2 numbers after the decimal point in my answer. So it would go there. So my answer would be 94.62. Good luck with your work today, everyone.